Introduction to comments in Pages Online.
Comments are a powerful tool in Apple iWork's Pages Online. They help teams and collaborators review, provide feedback, and communicate efficiently within documents. This tutorial will guide you through adding, responding to, and managing comments, so you can streamline review processes and ensure everyone's input is organized and visible.
Adding comments in Pages Online.
To add a comment in Pages Online, start by selecting the text or object you want to discuss. Right-click or use the Insert menu and choose Comment. A sidebar will appear. Simply type your feedback and click Post. The highlighted text now shows a comment indicator, making it easy for others to see and review your note.
Responding to comments efficiently.
Responding to comments helps keep discussions organized. Click on a comment in the sidebar to view its details. To reply, type your message in the response field and post it. Conversations are threaded below each comment, so team members can follow the dialogue and resolve issues collaboratively.
Managing and resolving comments.
Managing comments keeps your document clean and up to date. After a comment has been addressed, you can mark it as resolved. Hover over the comment and choose Resolve to archive it. Resolved comments are hidden, but can be reviewed if needed, helping maintain a clear overview of outstanding feedback.
Collaboration best practices with comments.
Use comments thoughtfully to foster clear communication. Be specific in your feedback. Tag collaborators when needed and resolve comments promptly after action is taken. Regularly reviewing and managing comments helps ensure productive collaboration and greater document quality in Pages Online.